What are you doing, dude?
I'm getting footage.
Don't be flashing lights on us like that. I can't see. I think it's probably better for us to pull over.
Okay, do it.
Wait it out.
Right here.
I'm gonna pull by him. Isn't we stuck
About
earlier?
face.
No.
This is cool, man.
Better to pull over and just wait for it.
Look at how cool this is. Whoa.
You're gonna go front?
Yeah. Look at that. Oh my goodness.
Dude, watch out for semis and stuff.
It's here. Oh my goodness.
Oh, wow.
Oh. Why are they driving in that?
Let's see the video. Oh yeah, you put this down.
Oh, dude. Oh yeah.
Hail.
Uh-oh.
I don't think it's I know.
Oh my gosh. Looks like we're in heaven or something. With all the clouds around us, it kind of looks like that. What?
You're getting it all wet. Wow. Holy cow. You guys want to know what it's like to be in a hurricane? This is it.
Woo!
Look at this.
Oh my goodness.
Oh, people still driving in this.
What the? Are they stupid? Look at that rain.
That's at least 40 miles an hour right there.
Oh, more than that. I think
It always looks 40.
Oh, but it looks cool.
I mean, we may be gusting the 50, but
Dude, we're going to be here for a while.
That thing has just barely started.
Dude, this is huge. This bow goes all the way into South Dakota, down to Nebraska. It's huge. I'm going to zoom out.
Oh my gosh.
Told you we should have moved. We were going to get hailed on.
we were gonna get regardless.
Well, we were going to get hailed on. Dude, that was...
Even if we'd gone further north, at some point we would have to pull over regardless.
Look at this.
That's saying it's going to come towards Omaha.
That's huge. It might. Dude, if that blows out, it could come to Omaha.
There we go. Now we're lighting up a little bit.
It's lighting up, people. I got full video of this. I can email this to the news station. Alright.
You want to try and push that stuff now?
Into what? That? I mean, either way we go, dude, we're going.
Yeah.
Warned area. If a tornado is spotted,
Whoa.
move to a place of safety in a sturdy structure.
Oh, it's coming more again.
Western Nebraska.
I think that's